Hunan Mandiwi Automation Equipment Company Limited is a leading manufacturer focused on pneumatic products and solutions that are efficient, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly for our customers. Mandiwi's main products: permanent magnet VSD screw air compressors, fixed-speed screw air compressors, oil-free screw air compressors, double-stage screw air compressors, all-in-one integrated air compressors, diesel air compressors, electric air compressors, air dryers, air tanks, air filters, air ends, butterfly valves, air cylinders, etc. Our marketing and sales headquarters is located in Changsha, a world-famous city of construction machinery. Our company's products has been widely used by Sany Group, Xinzhu Group, CRCC, Shentui, etc., well-known enterprises, and established deep and long-term business cooperation with them. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, therefore attract customers from all over the world. Our products export to over 36 countries, including Europe, USA, Middle East, Poland, Turkey, Russia, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Africa, and South America. More than 20 production lines, over 20 years professional experience of air compressors production, more than 30 high-tech talents from R&D department provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive OEM, ODM projects orders. Our annual production capability can reach to 30,000 sets. Mandiwi, supply more reliable pneumatic products for customers. Welcome friends from all over the world to visit our factory.
Here is our Mandiwi factory warehouse. Every air compressor has passed a strict quality inspection, so quality is guaranteed. If you need air compressors and spare parts, welcome to contact Mandiwi. Thank you.